No, I think I was in. I mean, maybe I'm crazy. I thought I was registered, but whatever. 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 That's life. That's annoying. Let's watch Magnus. He's already winning in round 1. Play like he lost first game, yeah. No, that's frustrating. Late join strats, let's go. Well, Magnus has done it, right? Magnus did it once before. Yeah. I 100% wasn't. Okay, whatever. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, all right, whatever. Late join for content, of course. Yeah, of course. Yeah. 0 point buy is dog water, should be 0.5. No, not exactly. Yeah, mods, cancel the bets, by the way. Just cancel the bets for now. Cancel the bets for now. Yeah, that's what it is. No, but the problem also, like, it doesn't matter. But actually, one of the big issues with chess.com, it doesn't relate to me specifically, but the big issue with chess.com actually is that with Title Tuesday and all their tournaments, there's no way to actually reset the standing. So, like, not even about me playing today, but for example, if someone were to cheat against you in a game, they get disqualified. Chess.com cannot reset it to a previous state. So, like, say for example, in round 1 I lose to a cheater and I'm 0, they can't pause the event and reset the score correctly. So basically that's a huge difference between, I think, chess.com and lead chess, broadly speaking. Of course, not talking about this Title Tuesday, but just in general, that I believe lead chess, they can actually pause the they can pause events or have it in real time and then change results or change certain things, whereas chess.com, they cannot do that, which is actually a big issue in the objectively, in my opinion, because if someone gets cheated against, there's nothing they can do about it. No, I didn't play a cheater. I'm giving you an example of one of the differences between chess.com and lead chess. Whatever, it's okay. I'll just win every game. Yeah, I'll win every game, no worries. Yeah, I'll win every game. Technology is not there. The technology is definitely there for lead chess, but anyway, let's keep going. So get h5 played here. Knight g6. Kramnik is accusing someone of cheating. I just don't. I like I said, I don't want to get into it. There's no point. There's no point. The quickest road to the whole thing, thanks to Mengi for the tier 1, to dying, is just ignoring it all. Plain and simple. But if takes, just knight g6, I guess. Magnus is still better, but he's not actually cleanly winning this game. What's he up? He's only up 1 pawn. He'll win the game, but it's gonna take a bit. Why am I stalking Magnus? I'm just watching his game because I didn't get a game. But whatever. I thought all roads lead to Rome. No, all roads lead to New Jersey. Yeah. Rook g8, and then some b4, because there's no rook e2. You're holding the square. Yeah, b4 should be winning here. There's gonna be a rook g7. And an h6, h7 incoming. Yeah, rook g7 with takes and h6 must be winning. So anyway, it's what it is. Yeah. Lana Rhodes leads to Rome. I don't know. Yeah, no, I'm fine. It's just disappointing because now it's like if I mess up anywhere, I have no room for margin. So if I mess up anywhere, I'm just done. So knight g5 f4, knight d6. I mean, there's probably some way to activate the pawns and the knights. Magnus can play chess. Yes, exactly. I didn't lose the first game. I guess somehow I got disconnected. I was pretty sure I was right.